So it's some FX again. There's a trade I took yesterday, and then by the time I woke up this morning, it had gotten to TP. So I want to explain what I saw that made me to take the trade. So this silver against the United States dollar. So it's XAGUSD. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. Now look at the market structure. Market gave an impulsive move here, creating a high, a low, a higher high, a higher high, a low that tapped into this other block of fair value gap here, pushed up. Are you seeing it now? Then created a low, internal liquidity, and then change the market structure from buy to sell. Are you seeing it now? And did whatever. The market came back, swept this internal liquidity here, and then started dropping. Are you seeing it now? And then it went to my TP. So that's the market structure. My bias is a sell. One of the reasons for my bias is you can see this other block here. Market has not mitigated it. So the market needs to come back down here to mitigate this other block. The orders that push this up, something is still remaining. You know, these institutional players, they can't push out all their orders because the liquidity in the market cannot take it. So they break their orders into batches. Are you seeing it now? So they break their orders into batches. So market needs to return to this other block, tap into it, and push back up. Okay, so it is this fact that made me to create my bias. One of the reasons for my bias for it to come is that market needs to come back here. That is one. Another major reason is this change in character. Market was buying and then it shifted structure to the downside. You are seeing it now. Okay, and then it came back to mitigate, sweep this internal liquidity that was here, and that's where I saw the market. I see that's where I saw it. And then I'm going to clear out everything on this chart just to explain what I saw. Are you seeing it now? So okay, so let me remove this, not this. Let me remove this and these schematics. Good. Now this is where my eye. What immediately I opened this chart, this is where my eyes went straight. This is supposed to be an order block. Market came and broke it. So what I want to see, I want to see when market comes and passes through another block without respecting it. That's what was meant to be the other block now becomes what? A breaker block. So one of the things I want to see is I want to see another block. I want to see a breaker block, which is this. I want to see market break it. Then I want to see a break of structure, which has happened there. For the other block to be produced, there definitely has to be a break of structure. Then I also want to see an order block. That is what led to the push that broke structure, which is this. So once I see those three things on 1 hour time frame, my setup is almost set. I see now, I'm almost sure that okay, I have a setup. You are seeing it now. So immediately I saw that, I said, okay, I think I'm getting something. And then I saw this particular setup on Sunday evening before the market opened. So I'm going to walk us through what I did. On Sunday, so I marked that on Sunday evening. I didn't place any pending order. Scaled down to 15 minutes. and then I was able to identify the actual, what I saw as the actual point where market pushed down. Now I picked this as the other block, this particular candle. I picked it as my order block. So I was expecting market to come there and respect it and drop. Now what happened? I didn't place any pending order because it's Sunday now. Market sometimes weekend opens with a gap, so I wouldn't take that risk. When I woke up on Monday morning, I saw that market had done this. Market swept, went above it, swept that place, came down, did this, came down. Are you seeing it now? And then shifted back to the downside. Are you seeing it now? Coupled with the fact, now one of the reasons why I believed that this was supposed to hold. One of the reasons why I believed that, and if you see, if market still came back to respect it, look at it, it still came back to use it to drop. One of the reasons why I believed that this was supposed to hold is because it had inducement. You can see it as market was retracing towards that place. In its retracement, it gave a fake shift in market structure. It gave a fake shift in market structure. Are you seeing it now? And then continued upward. So I was expecting to just come here, tap. If it was an ordinary day, it just come here, probably tap or do the same thing though. Are you seeing it now? So that's what I saw. So when I woke up on Monday morning and checked, this is what I saw. This is what I was left with, and I said, beautiful. This is a very good market structure shift. So I just went straight ahead because I had already done all the work and kept. I went straight ahead and I did this. This was where I entered. I put my entry here. This is exactly what I did. I marked that point, that particular order block that caused market to push down. Are you seeing it now? I marked that, and then I targeted this. I think this is what I targeted. Yes, I targeted in internal liquidity just before the external, the last internal liquidity. That's what I targeted. And the market gave me exactly what I wanted. Easy. Are you seeing it now? So just as I explained in my previous video, all I'm looking out for is, I want to say, a breaker block, an order block, and a break of structure. See, most of these institutional reference points, what you call institutional reference points, they're like, let's say, symptoms. You can regard them as symptoms. If someone has malaria, there will be symptoms, right? There will be symptoms. The person will run temperature. Many people, there will be a run in temperature. When it becomes serious, headache may follow it, fever, shivering may follow it. Are you seeing it now? And then as it graduates, so some of these institutional reference points are like symptoms. They are signs and symptoms to show you that, okay, these institutions are about to pull in orders. So they leave traces, and these traces are why you have these candlesticks. Are you seeing it now? So all I just want to see is, I want to see a breaker block, another block, and a breaking structure on 1 hour time frame. Then I'll scale down to 15 minutes time frame. I want to see an inducement. I want to see market go close to it and do as if it's changing structure, going back down. Once I see that, I know that, okay, whatever other block I marked, whatever caused that 1 hour break is going to hold. Now, if that doesn't happen, then I want to see confirmation. I want the market to get to that other block and shift structure on lower time frame. Are you seeing it now? I explained that in depth. In my previous video. So you are seeing it. So this is just simple as it is. But as I said in my previous video, you are the strategy. Okay, I will just do my best to explain to you and do whatever I can, but you are the strategy. You have to wait. You have to be able to wait for the setup, wait in the setup. Are you seeing it now? And wait even after whatever has played out. So the strategy is not what I'm teaching you. You become the strategy by developing yourself, and you conquering greed, and then improving on patience, having patience to wait for trades. You're seeing, you're just like a sniper, as in you wait until when everything is set before you take your shot. Okay, so please do well to subscribe and like the video, share it with people that you think need it, and then go through other videos that are there. There are lots of videos I've dropped there that will help you, and this is exactly what I take. This is something you pay a huge amount for, and then you won't even get something as in-depthly explained as this. Guys, trust me, I've gone through different courses. I've gone through different courses, and some it seems as if they're trying to hide something from you. Are you seeing it now? But I'm not doing that, and it's for free. Understand? The money is there for all of us to make. So go through these videos, watch them several times as much as you can, and then if there's anything you don't are not clear with, or any concept you want me to maybe break down or focus on, maybe I'm sounding more advanced or too advanced, let me know. I will make a video on it and break it down to your understanding. Okay, all right, thank you.